if you want to earn some extra coins on that of the cash coin, it's really very simple. So once you're on the interface right here, you're going to see that, remember that I have around 10,649 coins at the moment. And if you take a look at the tabs down here, okay, you're going to see where we have end tab, and we have boost tab, and we also have team tab right here. Okay, so the one I want to focus on right now is about this particular one, which is actually called the end tab. So I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to open up. Okay, and if you take a look at this particular place, you will see that you have some ways to actually earn on this tab. Okay, so the first one right here is that your one-time bonus, you can actually invite like 3 persons with a rank 1 to be able to earn like plus 3,000. But I don't want to actually focus on that. The one I want to focus on is all these ones that we have down here. Okay, these 3 things. So you are actually allowed to follow them on Instagram right here to earn around 500. I want to cancel this for this at this particular time. I'm still working on something. Okay, so you can click on this particular one right here to follow them on Instagram. You can also follow them on their X, and also follow them on TikTok, and also follow them on Telegram. I've actually attempted to follow them on all of these channels that we have in here. Okay, but if you have not actually followed them, and you will not be able to see all this check mark that you are seeing here. You see my own has a check mark, meaning that I've actually followed them on that. However, the one that I really did not follow is this particular one. Okay, and that's cheating. Okay, I cheated on them by claiming that I've actually followed them on this particular thing right here. I want to complete that right now. I want to make sure that I really follow them, because if they detect in the future, they may cancel my account or something of that nature, or reduce my coin. So if you have not actually followed them on these places, you are going to see that you wouldn't have a check mark like this. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on this arrow right here. So I'm going to touch on this one that we're having here right now, and then it's going to bring up this page. And basically that one is just for that of the Instagram. So I'm going to click on Instagram right here. So let's touch on that. And then you see that it brings up their accounts on Instagram. So all you need is to click on this follow right here to be able to follow them. So I'm going to click on that right now, and as you can see, it now says following. Okay, so this means that I am now following them on Instagram, and I expect my coin to actually increase by 500. Okay, if it hasn't actually increased by now. So I'm guessing that it has actually increased when I tried to follow them, and I did not really follow them, so they thought that I have actually followed them. Okay, but that could be a review process on things of this nature, okay, at a later time. So make sure you really follow them. Okay, so you may not notice this increase right now, because when I attempted to follow them, I think maybe they rewarded me with 500 coins. Okay, so I want to go back right now to the interface, and let's see whether anything happened on that interface. And as you can see, nothing really happened. Okay, so that means they really rewarded me earlier. Okay, but I just want to make sure that I really follow them, in case if there will be something like a review process at a later time, that wouldn't actually reduce my coin. Okay, so that's just basically how you can actually connect earn some extra coins by performing some social tasks on Cashcoin. Okay, remember what I did? You just need to go to this tab that says earn right here, and once you get in there, you want to go ahead and then legitimately follow them on all their social media accounts right here. Okay, just 5 right here, a 4 right here. So that's just basically what you need to do, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and the next one, we're going to take a look at some other things that you probably should also learn how to do on this. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are not actually following this account yet, you want to go to the comment section or the description of this video and then follow it. And if you like the video, you can actually click the like button and share it with people, so that other people can actually benefit from the things that we're actually pulling out right here. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.